everyone, my name is Bridget and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're doing a short and sweet, simple video today of just cleaning my bird's room. This definitely isn't anything major, it's not super educational, it's not super entertaining. I just figured I would film myself cleaning her room because it gets really nasty really quickly, and I don't know, I feel like when people do have birds, they show a lot of the fun parts of it, but the parts that can be a little bit frustrating aren't always shown. I figured I would take this moment to just share a little bit of the not so fun side of owning a parrot. The mess that you're about to see in this video happened within 1 week. Birds are amazing, they're beautiful and so fun to watch and interact with, but they are little monsters who like to throw everything on the ground, and they like to just chew everything up and just cause a whole ruckus in their cage area, which my bird is very good at doing. So I don't know, I just thought that I would share with you guys what it looks like before and after I clean it from about a week's time. So that's basically it, just a simple little clean with me video cleaning my bird room, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into today's video. Well, alright guys, that's gonna be it for my video today, just showing you how I clean my bird's room, her cage and her play stand and everything, and what it looks like before and after. Hope that you guys enjoyed this simple little video. If you did enjoy this video, please give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button on your way out. I really appreciate it. Also hit the notification bell so you can know when I upload next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!